I have at least solved one point that was puzzling me about bevels. In a previous video, I was puzzled as to why, as I expanded the bevel, I would say getting one point only reaching this far, but another point reaching this far. And that is probably down to the scale being wrong. So if I do a few control Z's, so if I, with the X at 1 and the Y at some much bigger figure, let's see what happens. In fact, I don't need to put that out of the way. Let's go into edit mode. I'm here on this inner edge and do control B for a bevel, and as I drag it out, you'll see that it's much more inclined towards the y-axis than it is towards the z-axis. I did not understand why that was, but then, so if I do a control Z and I go back to object mode, if I now actually highlight the whole of the object, do control A rotation and scale such everything is now 1, I now go back into edit mode, highlight the edge that I want to be the pivot for the bevel, I do a control B, and as I start to pull it out, you'll see that the Y and the Z are more or less equidistant. As I pull it back in, doesn't affect my ability to add or remove segments. That's all good. So just to illustrate that point, if you think your bevel kind of distribution is wrong, check your scale.